In a world full of retweeting, reblogging, and reposting, content curation has never been more popular. It's a great option for marketers who are wanting to post content regularly, but maybe are starting to run out of new and interesting ideas to consistently write about. Writing your own content once in a while can be a great way to show a bit of brand personality, but ultimately, if you want more people to see that content that you've worked so hard on, content curation is a fantastic tool to use to your advantage. Recycling popular content that aligns with your brand's personality and values will help Google's algorithm recommend you to people within your community and ultimately help you get more engagement from your target audience on the content you create yourself. For everything you need to know about content curation and how you can fully take advantage of this marketing tool, check out our blog post.